Yeah, me know my people them and me know who rate me. Me know who I pretend to like them rate me. Word. But guess what? I find out the game. Me pretend to use them.
Clippings here for play phone specifically. Check this out.
So I'm just trying to make a better life for myself, you know?
Say I'm picnic.
Yes, I have one son.
Oh, that's not bad. All right.
I have one son.
That's not bad at all. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So you didn't really. I mean, you didn't really give me much of a reading, like a true artsy reading me that I want. You understand? But man, all right. Man,
But there's nothing bad not did it for read about mama, like, you know, I'm nothing bad for read about your life going good. You know what I mean? Wonderful, everything did it for you.
I claim it. Okay.
Yeah, man, everything. You're a queen, you know what, nothing more, mama, you're alright. Everything is set for you. Alright,
Okay.
all I have to do is just live.
Amen. I want to give you a reading.
Yeah?
Yes. You want me to read you?
Yeah, read me.
Ask me a question and then I can read.
On the air when Nicki Minaj said she did want, right? Shortly after that live with Nicki Minaj and World Dawg, RT Boss went live to give his reading for World Dawg and Nicki Minaj. Apparently, what Nicki Minaj was telling World Dawg, him RT Boss already gave World Dawg that reading.
I watch how the queen come out. I know the queen talking. And I want to get a joke too. When the queen are reading back and when the queen are talk too, the queen wants sound like she are hurting people. You know, your queen is say she want a man and she want to do a bad mind. The energy will flow. Read how she put the energy. If I want to get a joke, I want to tell you, if you want to read it, she do it better than if you roll down.
Hello.
Good afternoon. My name is RT Junior, aka Reading God.
Okay. Blessings.
Nicki Minaj, I mean to tell you this. I just want to give you a message to give your friend. Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah.
Tell her that I have a 9.5.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Tell her, and I'm a good boy. I didn't think that. I just a girl to take me with Nicki and just marry me and just change me because the street is not no nice thing no more.
Hey, just know say them a report on the page here. All the people them over here attack them they are report on the page. So just know say them a report on the page. So I want to know what go on. Them over here screenshot, them a report on the page. Them a report on the page. So just know say once you see a text come in say your page I get a report, just find somebody and block that report then. You know matter how report. At the energy. So if you feel like your page I get report, just report somebody. Never be if me want to block like report it.
Just want a nice girl take me up and chill. Me have my green card, you know.
So, that is exactly what I was about to ask you. So y'all come foreign? Y'all coming up foreign?
Yeah, foreign, baby. Yeah, Miami, Nicki.
Oh, okay.
We live in foreign almost 12, 13 years now ago now. A long time there.
Because she lives right in New York. So, and you know, that's a very short flight.
Alright, now, since the ex people no come, let me shame on the dirty blood clot. Remember me a man, me no beg nothing. Since we not run up and attack, you want to keep quiet? Let me tell you one mega give you. And the black of them, take it. One mega give. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. One mega give them, I'm quiet on the dirty blood clot. Now the next one. What money is good? Because you don't come for class, since you don't come over here, I'm quiet to know. Since you come over here, I'm quiet to know as the blood clot for you. Alright? Hype you want, hype you get. Let me tell you what the problem. Because since you no blood clot enough, no boy, let me tell you something, me a boss, no boy can style me. Me a real gun coot. Bad. Fuck with me, give me one charger too. Let me show you something. Since you never run out for the mouth, look how you make the RT family make a blood clot laugh off of you. Because since you don't come out strong. I have something for you nasty blood clot. You ready? Hold on, me line up. Sit down, get your popcorn. Get your popcorn. Because since soon enough, I'm going to do something. You want something to carry back? Remember now, you know? Want something to carry back? I know you know. You want something to carry back? Carry back this. Make sure you carry back, you know. Make sure you carry back. Ready?
2 months now, the girl text you, you know. And I ain't reply. A businessman talk to you about me because I'm a businessman. Okay. 2 months now, the girl text you, you know. And I ain't reply. A businessman talk to you about me because I'm a businessman.
Go suck with the mama. Carry that pan the last end. Let me go in it again.
Okay. 2 months now, the girl text you, you know. And I ain't reply. A businessman talk to you about me because I'm a businessman.
Go suck with the mama. Put that at the end. You could go on again.
Okay. 2 months now, the girl text you, you know. And I ain't reply. A businessman talk to you about me because I'm a businessman.
Suck your mama. Put that on the end. Me have many more. Go suck with the mama. Don't come style me. So you see my RT family. You see where you see problem I come. You see where the belly I can't go on again. Okay. Money.
2 months now, the girl text you, you know.
Money.
And I reply. A businessman talk to you about me because I'm a businessman.
How much months?
Okay. 2 months now, the girl.
Text it in Royal family. How much months? Suck with the mama. How much months? You can't diss me. You got suck on a mother forcefully.
Okay.
So one voice note can't play for me. I didn't have to play it because she might kill him. It's a voice note that say, yo, mama go call you, you know. I love you if you play.
Months now, the girl text you, you know. And I ain't reply. A businessman talk to you about me because I'm a businessman. Okay. 2 months now, the girl text you, you know. And I ain't reply. A businessman talk to you about me because I'm a businessman.
Alright. I don't know what to say. I want to hold a piece there. War done. Anybody come out? Me have them ready, me have ready. Alright, nothing no come out yet. Let's open the man, don't play me. Boy can't stand me, me rich. I'm happy. Fuck you. Rich. I mean, say, remember we rich. Money problem. You see, no RT family, me no idiot, you know. So you see, say, me no come out a cause problem. I barely a car. 2 months, they feel like they can't use me. Like it true. Hey girl. I want to tell you something, you know. My beautiful wife. And you think I wouldn't make that? That's my wife. Hey girl. Come here. Don't tell nobody. Right here, so now we're rich and happy. I'm going to close and celebrate, yeah. Come here, make me whisper this, yeah. All my ladies, them. Me and you are going to bubble and go out with this, yeah. You ready now?
Nana loves a fancy omelet, but she hates her daughter-in-law and all her climate talk bull. What she doesn't know is that delicious omelet.
Party! We are boss, we are boss, we are boss. No dog can back. Exos! Come here. Where you run go? Come back here, so girl. Come back here, so. Nicki said me for go and bad. Come back here, so. Where you go? Come here, so. Where you go? Hold over here, so girl. Hold it. Where you go? Right there, sir. Right there, sir. Right there, sir. Right there, sir. Yeah. In there. Put it down there. Get it in there. Up the in there. Come here, girl. Wine me, girl. Got it, big girl. Rock it, girl. Wine me, girl. Got it, girl. Ray, girl. Yes. Slow wine. Slow wine. Alright. Call me name, my girl. Call me name, my girl. Call me name. Call me name. My girls them over here. Yeah, me to my girls them over here. Party by party. Listen how we roll over here. So someone of this somewhere I'm hungry.
But honestly, oh man, I'm crazy. I know this.
You notice how me play? You notice how me play? Alright, wanna read my play? Where the real RT problem them? Where the girl them when know say you know all in a season up in a walk with that WD party? Where the girl them when know say you're good and you're alright, you can stretch, you can say yes, you when you walk in a shake and your foot now hold you down and your body now call hello. Your breast now hold you down, your face now hold you down. Where the girl them when you now walk and shake and think a category 9 Gilbert and blow under you. Where the girl them when you have to take on live and a fan because you eat as well, your body weight and kill you. Where the girl them when you know say you figgle and you diggle and you daggle and you diggle, come in at the middle. No WD-40. Stand up. Go again. Remember say, when we going on the back problem, remember we're not shaking. Ready again! Show them say we're ready with LT. Yes, we're not use supple gen. We wait, we're not hold it down. We're walk. We're not a walking problem. What you got them there?